Hello guys, welcome to my channel Stock Talks. Today we are going to see how to make YouTube channel of your own, and it's just a simple steps and you can do on your own all the stuff you need. Just you follow my instructions to start over your wonderful channel. For this you need to go to Google and just sign in and open YouTube. Click on this icon and go to your channel. See, there is nothing stuff here because there is no video in this. Just I am giving, you can name your channel like I made it, like my name Satish Mangati. You can create like crazy any name whatever you want. That shows the people who are watching your name. For this I have one account to show to you. Let's go to my account Start Talks. Sorry for the network, it's somewhat slow. Okay, yeah, still it's showing. Let me go to my channel. Yeah, this is the channel you will get. There is no videos uploaded yet. This might be my first video. I know I have been using this YouTube and this YouTube channels from past 5 years, so I know some stuff to where to start and how to progress in YouTube. Just follow my instructions. You need to go to your channel after the login and you have to click on this YouTube Studio Beta. Yeah, let's wait. This is the new version, the YouTube Editor Studio. You can see this studio.youtube.com. This is where the YouTubers do their stuff, like managing their videos, like seeing dashboard videos. Dashboard means the overall things, videos means what are the videos we upload, analytics, the progress for last 30 days. In this channel what we are going to start, you leave all this stuff, you will come late, you can know later. Just we need to go to this last, you see this extreme left last, Creator Studio Classic, because this is the first thing all people started in YouTube, because it has some more stuff to do there. Before I will show you that. Let's wait. Yeah, you see this is the first Creator Studio of YouTube, where we can make our channel. Wait. We should get verified. This can be done. There will be no tick mark at first. There will be a click option, and if you click, they will verify through call or message. This is verified through our mobile number, so thereby you can start your own channel. Here you come. This is the most important part, monetization, because this monetization means it places the ads in your video in between the content, thereby you can get some money from YouTube. So at first it started as for every video for calculated for views, but now they changed the norms and rules, like now my account status is not enabled because you can apply monetization at any time. Okay, we can, okay, but it should have at least 4,000 watch hours. It should have 4,000 watch hours. That means 4,000 into 60 minutes. That much members should watch this our videos, overall all the videos, for 1 year period, like 12 months. And also there is a must and need 1,000 subscribers. Thereby the people who are creating some content and earning some money and they are lifting the channel, This makes so much dizziness in the YouTube company. So they created this norm like at least we have to produce 4,000 watch hours in previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. Okay. But we can do all this stuffs like we have to agree the document, sign into AdSense. AdSense is an online website. Thereby it creates some ads. The name only it says that ads. They will display some ads. Monetize preferences is on. For getting into this fourth option, we need some. I said now before 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. After getting this much, these things corrected, you will get automatically the ad, and they will give approval that you are officially a YouTuber. You can do whatever stuff. Okay, let's start like agreeing the document. I will show you once. Okay, I am reading the document and apply. I have to tick mark everything and accept. This option gets enabled. Yeah, it is getting slow. Yeah, you see, I got green mark. That means I have accepted the norms and conditions. Sign up for the AdSense. We have to sign up for the AdSense for the later things. Yeah, you will be directed into the AdSense link. Okay, let's go and see what's there. Yeah, you have to sign up with the channel with what you are linking up with the AdSense. This is your URL. You can. Okay, we have to do some stuff here like which country. You can apply any country, but I am from India. Type India and just accept the agreement. There is no issue. If you want else, you can have some help like that. They will give some things that will help your channel to grow. Yeah, that's it. We have made an AdSense account with our channel, which will be later useful to display ads in our content. And you can add your personal details and everything and submit. It's an account type is individual or business. Okay, we have to add some address, city, postal codes, phone number and submit. Thereby we will be getting AdSense account directly. One minute. Yeah, you can. I am doing from first. Okay, bear me this. Okay, I have said to you that go to Creator Classic. They will ask you something. Click on some and go back. Because we will get to know what are all the things we have to do to get the monetization. Yeah, go to channel. You see that it is still not enabled because I did not have any 4000 hours views or 1000 subscribers. On preferences it will be like we accepted like that, it will be monetization preferences. It might be any ads based on the period, and getting this reviewed it takes much time. After getting this you will be getting some ads and you can do something with that money. For uploading we have to click on this upload video, and import from your laptop or mobile phone. It is so simple, and naming it and everything. That's all. This is the simple YouTube you can use for making money. Yeah. Stock talks. Yeah, thank you for having me. Thank you for introducing YouTube to you, and I'm so happy and glad. Thank you.